Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to print Viagogo tickets. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open the Viagogo web app at viagogo.com using any browser of your choice and log in with your account's credentials. After logging in, it's going to take you right into this homepage. From this homepage, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage, and that's going to take you to the drop-down menu where you have My Hub, Settings, and Sign-Outs. Now, from this drop-down menu, click on My Hub, and that's going to walk you right into the My Hub area. In the My Hub section, look at the left navigation menu. We have a couple of options here. Now, from this left navigation menu, click on My Orders to view all your purchased tickets, both current and past. Now, browse through your orders to find the specific tickets you want to print. Once you find it, click on the order to open the ticket details. Have you done that? Now, once you open the order details, look for an option to download tickets. This is typically in PDF format. Click on the Download Tickets button to save the tickets to your device. Once the tickets are downloaded or the ticket is downloaded, locate the PDF file on your device. Open the file and ensure the ticket details, including event name, date, time, and barcode, are clear and correct. Once you're verified, click the print option from your PDF viewer. It could either be Adobe Acrobat or Google Chrome, etc. Then choose your preferred printer and any additional settings such as page size, orientation, and number of copies. Of course, once you're done with that, click print to send the tickets to your printer. After printing, check the physical tickets to ensure the information is legible and barcode is clear for scanning at the event. It's recommended to print your tickets in advance, especially if the venue requires a physical copy for entry. Some tickets might not be available for printing immediately, depending on the event organizer's policies. In such cases, the tickets may be available closer to the event date. Now, this guide provides the accurate steps for printing your Viagogo tickets. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.